Welcome to another powerful episode from G8P, where we dive into the most pressing issues facing B2B marketers in manufacturing. Hi, my name is Chris Peer, and I am the founder and CEO of G8P, a marketing consultancy firm focused on helping manufacturers to achieve an ROI from their marketing spend. And this video is about the great 8 pillars of ROI-driven marketing, diagnostic. So if you're watching this video, you may be thinking or considering taking the diagnostic assessment. So what is the assessment? The assessment is a series of questions that should take you 5 to 10 minutes to complete. And at the end, you will get a formal, downloadable marketing report with your results. And what the results should illustrate is what you're doing really strong within your marketing operation and where you need some work. You can then use this report as a guide for where to start chipping away at your marketing operations to attain a true return on investment from your marketing efforts. So go to g8p.co/diagnostic and take the assessment. And if you need any help, contact us and one of our certified consultants will be happy to help. Thanks.